So the one you want to solve is using your GDC is the graph of, or the problem y is equals to 2 tan x plus 13. I think that was the one that was being problems there. So you plot that, but you need to be aware that there are some restrictions. For example, the domain, so you need to change the window. The domain is from -5 to +5, so you need to fix that. This one obviously was used for something else, so -5 to 5. And then the next problem would be that when you draw the graph, it does seem like it's just straight lines, and that obviously is because we don't see much in the range, so we need to adjust that as well. We need to see a little bit more up and a little bit lower, so I would adjust that to -10 probably to +10, and that should give me a slightly better graph. If I draw that graph, I should be able to navigate along it, alongside that graph. So there is obviously 4 solutions in this case, and I want to find each one of these. So if you have the right window, then it shouldn't be a problem. So I want the left bound, and I should be able to see my cursor navigating somewhere. That's from -2, -3. I know the lowest value is -5, so there it is. And if I click enter there, I should be able to see the left bound, and then right bound is somewhere, still not there, and that should give me the first solution, which is -4.56. And if you want to see more than this, you probably want to adjust this window, especially in the y. If you make that -20, and that's something bigger, then you would be able to see a lot better what is happening with that graph. Obviously, because the amplitude of tan x is undefined, then it means that there's a lot more to see on the y values. So the first solution is there. You can find a second one, second function of trace, find the 0, and left bound, I found the first one, so I want to find a second one, and that second one looks like my graph has changed. I will find that solution, and my second one there is -1.42, and I can continue doing that. So probably the big thing there is to make sure that the window is the correct window, knowing that the amplitude of tan x is undefined and the domain has been clearly defined from -5 to +5, and make sure that your calculator is also in the right mode, that is radians. I hope that helps.